Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Apple only supports custom notification sounds through GarageBand on the iPhone. This method creates a ringtone file the system accepts. Open GarageBand from your home screen and create a new audio recorder project. Import the sound file you want using the file's browser inside GarageBand. Trim the clip to no more than 30 seconds to meet ringtone limits. Use the loop icon to refine fades and start points. Keep the final audio clear and loud for short notifications. After trimming, tap the down arrow and choose My Songs to save the project. Long press the saved project and select Share to access export options. Choose Ringtone from the Share menu to convert the project. Enter a concise name for the ringtone so you identify it quickly. GarageBand will export and register the file as a system ringtone automatically. Wait for the export to complete before closing GarageBand to avoid corruption. Open Settings, then navigate to Sounds and Haptics to assign your new tone. Tap Text Tone or Ringtone and locate the custom name you exported from GarageBand. Select it to set the sound for messages, emails, or other alerts. To assign tones per contact, open Contacts, edit the contact, and select text tone for that person. If you want to remove a custom tone later, delete the corresponding GarageBand project and re-export only.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.